Hi guys, I'm Tia Play, your trading buddy. So welcome to our latest episode of our Play daily review. For those who are watching my video for the first time, let me introduce to you briefly. So in my daily uh, updates video, we will be focusing on the chart technical analysis. Which means that we looking at the chart and we read the chart and we discover the hidden signal and also the hidden story behind the chart. So because as we believe, as always, the chart is the best insider. All right. So if you haven't watched our previous analysis on TSM and also AMC, feel free to click into our channel to watch our previous episode videos, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you don't want to miss our next video. All right. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the chart for today. So the chart I'm going to show you firstly is the chart of our Dow Jones index this morning. So as you can see, in majority the US market this morning has been hitting a high and close in rate. Due to a massive drop of most of the tech related counters. As you can see, the index of Dow Jones, it hit a high of 36,180, but then it closed low, even below the closing of yesterday. It closed at 35,890, but then I would say that the whole bullish rebound formation is still intact. It's still intact as long as it is supported on the moving average line, which is this one. All right. So as long as it is supported, so I think still not too much for you to worry for the US market, unless you are holding some of the tech related counter. We should drag down the index for this morning. For example, I show you the chart like Google. Quite a big drop yesterday, and also the Meta. Our Facebook. Big drop, and also the Tesla. Yeah, and maybe another one is TSM. So you can see most of the tech related counter are experienced a massive drop this morning. So um, it has been dragged down the whole index performance as well. All right, if you look at Nasdaq, so Nasdaq has shows you clearly, how massive is the drop this morning. All right, so of course, if you're looking at the chart of Nasdaq, you can see that it break the support of MA50 once again. So whether this round it can be supported or making a rebound, just like what they had last time. So tomorrow will be the crucial, day for you to monitor. Because if tomorrow still can make a rebound and stay above the MA50, then I would say it might repeat the history of last week. Last 2 weeks. All right. So but if unfortunately it unable to rebound and stay above MA50, then it might face a greater correction. So for those who are holding some counters, especially tech counters, so you might need to be extra cautious. All right. Okay. Of course, you look at the chart of XOX, our semiconductor index, it shows you even clearer. If you see from this side, you can see that Dow Jones has dropped for 0.08%, Nasdaq 2.6%, and SOX, our semiconductor, has dropped for 4.27%. So it shows you how severe the drop this morning of the tech related counter. All right. Okay, so after we're looking at the index, let's go into the counters for today. So the first counter that I'm going to show you is one of the tech counters. AMD, all right, our processors company. So you can see the chart of AMD. Previously it's been on a steady uptrend and supported all the way on the MA10. Then over here you can see some bearish turnaround. You can see bearish turnaround and been doing a corrections and been supported on MA50. But then just rebound for 2 days, it dropped back again. All right. So with such formation, I would say that the momentum has weakened. So it has shows a few of bearish sign over here. So if you're holding this counter, you need to know that you can see the moving average of 10 has performed a death cross. All right, which means that short term is going to be bearish. So the next point that you need to monitor is the support of MA50, a very important support. A very important support, as well as for index and for a lot of counters. MA50 is an important support for most of the stocks in US market. All right. So you need to monitor next is the support of MA50. As long as it can be supported on MA50, then you will be doing some consolidation stage. Yeah, it either to choose direction to go up or go down. But then if this round it breaks the support of MA50 and failed to rebound, then you will see a bigger correction, almost similar as the chart of Nasdaq and also SOX. All right. Okay. So for those who are having holdings in this counter, that's the point that I mentioned just now. You need to be extra cautious. You will be needing to make a decision whether to take partial profit or whether to cut loss. Yeah, you just please don't just let it be and keep in a locker. You don't look at it. Yeah, it's not a way, because if it going to down because if the chart has been turned into the downtrend formations, then it will goes a further lower, and how low it will goes, no one have to answer. So in order to protect our capital and also maybe your paper profit, so you need to be extra cautious at this time, and just do whatever decision that you need to do when it's needed. All right. Okay, so this is the my chart analysis on AMD. Next, we look at another counter, yeah, medical related counter, which is CTXR. All right, CTS pharmaceutical. So yeah, so this is a totally different formations with tech related counters. Yeah, so you can see that previously is on the month of June until July is a big major bullish play over here. But if we do it from negative perspective, it's actually typical pump and dump. Yeah, it's a typical pump and dump from the price of $2.40, $2.4, bump all the way to $4, $4.5, and then dump back just within 1 month time. All right. So, but then what attracted me on this chart is that you can see if in the overall formation, the share price is actually very near to the bottom right now. Yeah, the bottom is over this price. Yeah, $1.5. Yeah, so this is the important support. Yeah, it's also quite a bottom price. So you can see that when it touches the support of 1.5, it had made quite a strong rebound over here for 2 days. Then due to it's still in downtrend formations, then you can see the rebound has been blocked by the pressure of the moving average. Then it came back down. All right. So if you want to join, to trade this counter, the point that you need to monitor is make sure it is supported on the support of 1.5, and then if you want us to see, if you want to see, a significant turnaround signal, then you need to monitor when will be the share price, can it break the pressure of the moving average. All right, because from now you can see that although this morning was massive profit taking, but for me I would say that this chart is already quite bottom, so the risk and reward is quite attractive for me. So there could be a trade opportunities over here, but then now it's not the right timing for you to make an entry. If for me, I will wait, either is test the support of 1.5 again, or maybe I will wait for the time that the price can break the moving average of a MA50. All right, so this will be two preferred entry that I will look at it for this kind of formation. Okay. All right, so this is my analysis for the chart of CTXR. Yeah, so just a brief summary for this video. Firstly, I have covered you four, yeah, four analysis on our major indices of US market. Then we talk about two counters for today, which is one of the tech counters, AMD or processors counter, and then this counter CTXR. So yep. So I hope you have learned something from this video, especially on the part of chart reading. Yeah. So if you have any counters that you want us to do analysis, feel free to comment in the comment box. And if you like our content, of course, don't forget to hit the like and the share button. And the most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, so that you won't miss our next video on a more potential stock analysis or any trades opportunities. All right. So lastly, thank you for watching. I'm TA Buplate, your trading buddy. So I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.